Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy and on this channel I share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds without surgery and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome back and happy Sunday, everyone. It is Sunday, June 21st. It is Father's Day and it's the day after weigh-in day. Thank you guys for being so patient with me as I had a big day yesterday and was unable to make a video for you to watch today. Everything went great yesterday, but it was insane. I could not speak by the end of the day. Last night I didn't even have any voice at all. So I guess it's a miracle that I could even sit here and talk to you today, because last night I couldn't have done it. It was crazy. I arrived at the venue yesterday at about 7:30 and we set up and got started around 8:30, and we finished the very last photo and started packing up to go home at 9:30, and we actually got in the car around 10 p.m. I didn't get home until about 10:15, 10:30. Didn't eat dinner until like 11:30. I think it was 11:30 actually when I ate dinner last night, because Dave had to make still dinner for the kids when we got home, and I couldn't move anymore. I laid down on the bed and I could not move. It was so painful. The backs of my thighs are aching. The backs of my calves were hurting so bad last night. I had to take Tylenol in order to go to sleep. I took 3 500 milligram Tylenols. Took away the pain from most of my body except for the bottoms of my feet. Whew. Had to do my clogging dance in the middle of all of that. Took over 1,600 photos in one day. Had only one break. I ate my lunch break was like 20 minutes. I ate grilled chicken nuggets from Chick-fil-A. The studio actually bought us Chick-fil-A. Thankfully, I was able to eat that. But when I got home and tracked it, I realized that the dressing had 32 grams of fat. So when I got home, I couldn't even eat anything. I was in tears. Poor Dave. He made me food and he put almond slivers on it, and I was like, I can't eat this because I can't have any almonds and it's not gonna work. Oh my gosh, I was a mess last night, you guys. Dave is a saint to put up with me. A saint. And we're getting ready to have a dinner with his mom and with our kids that are married and coming back are going to be here in a little while. So I'm quickly making this video for you so I can go and have a nice little party with them. I don't know if I'm going to do a high fat day today. I didn't even think about it. I think I'm just going to eat regularly. I don't think we're going to do anything special. Save our special day for the 1st, which is our anniversary. I don't know what we're doing. It's up to Dave, and he's keeping it a secret, I guess. So yeah, it went okay, but you know what? I can't even tell you, if I had been overweight, I couldn't have done that. No way. No way. The only way I survived was having less weight on me, because I don't think I would have made it 4 hours on my feet like that. And let alone if I have to get on stage and do my dance and everything and pose for pictures. I had to have my own hair and makeup done. Oh my gosh. All the kids. Dave was a saint. He sat out in the car because they wouldn't allow extra people in the building. So he sat out in the car the whole day. The whole day. And he kept an eye on I had the costumes all set up in order in the back of the car, and so he would pull out and see the name on whose costume, make sure that person got dressed, and then send them in to get their photo taken and to do their dance. They basically, I was the photo station. The kids would come in one at a time, and I photographed them where I want them to be in the group shot, and I'm gonna put them all together in Photoshop. Either people are gonna sing my praises and say I'm literally a miracle worker, or they're gonna laugh and say, do you remember that funny year when we had to paste everyone together for the COVID photos? Yeah. The kids wore masks the whole time they were in there, and then they came through my station, and then they would go into the room where it's a big gym with a stage where they were recording, and they recorded the dances. And then next Saturday, our whole family gets to go to a movie theater, an outdoor movie theater with a big, huge 40-foot LCD screen, and we get to watch the recital on the big screen. Is that the coolest thing or what? So the whole time I kept thinking, if any of these kids have COVID, I'm going to die. I had to touch them. I tried so hard to show them what to do, but every once in a while I had to grab somebody's hand. I had my hand sanitizer, but you just never know. And we were in tight quarters right there where the picture station was. I was a little nerve-wracked, to say the least. But we made it, and you know what? If I'm gonna getting it in the summer, I guess is probably better than getting it in the fall. I don't know. I'm so nervous, so torn. But it was a wonderful, wonderful day. It was so good to see all the little kids, and I made almost enough money to pay off my giant bill that I have to pay, which is why I agreed to do it. So yeah, it went okay. My food this week was literally perfection. Like perfection. I don't think I've ever had such a good week on keto, not even when I first started out. My macros were so spot on. It was beautiful to behold. Even yesterday, when I could have used the photo day as an excuse, I didn't eat until 1:30 when they brought me that Chick-fil-A, and I didn't eat again until 11:30 at night. That was the only thing I messed up, was I didn't do my intermittent fasting window, because there ended up not being really, there was kind of a dinner break, but my only option was to like eat more Quest products or more fast food. And I decided to just opt for waiting till we got home. So today, we actually just got back from church. That's why I'm not wearing any lipstick today, because I had to wear my mask, and that's why my nose is kind of red, because I wear my mask at church. It was awesome. I was so nervous about going back to church because our group of people has 400 members. Like, it's usually standing room only in the back. But they divided us up into 4 separate groups. We only get to go every other week, and it was a short meeting, 45 minutes. We sat on the back row, and they had the doors open to the hallways, and then always all to outside, and there was wind, so there was breeze coming through, so I felt super safe. We all wore our masks, and every other person in the whole building was wearing masks, and there were 30 of us. I had 8 kids and me and Dave. That's 10. And counting all of us, there were 30 of us. We were literally a third of the congregation. Probably because it's Father's Day and it was the first day and people just aren't ready, and a lot of people are choosing not to, and they don't have to come, and it's okay. But man, I felt super happy. I'll tell you what, I was so hard not to cry. I just felt absolute tears of joy. And you know why? Because I didn't have to teach the lesson. Thank you, Bishop. I have taught the lesson every Sunday, except for once when Dave did it for me, since the whole COVID thing went down in March, end of March. Woo! Because nobody else wanted to do it. Just the mama. I'm the one who has to make everything happen. You know how it is. Anyway, so what I'm going to do, I am going to show you my weigh-in that I recorded, which I recorded Friday morning. And then I'm going to tell you what my weight was today. I didn't record it, but I'm going to tell you what it was. Okay? So yeah, let's get to the weigh-in. So as you can see, I weighed in on Friday at 182.4, which is a 1.2 pounds loss, I think, for the week. And I was supposed to gain this week, so that made me absolutely ecstatic. I was so stinking happy. And then today, I was 187.8. Yes, 5.5 pounds up in 2 days. How does that happen to me? But considering every single muscle in my entire body is hurting, I guess it shouldn't surprise me. And I don't know if it'll be all off by the weigh-in next weekend, but whatever. I'm going with Friday's weight because I think that's the true weight. 1.2 pounds down. Heck yes. I did my measurements also on Friday, and I hadn't gone down any except for in my calves. I went down a quarter inch, I think, or a quarter inch, I think, in each of my calves. That was the extent of my inches lost last week, which was a little disappointing because, like I said, I was bang on perfect with my macros all week. So I know it's just a matter of time. Just got to wait it out, and see how it goes this week. You know, I often gain water weight right now anyway in my cycle, so I'm just going to chalk it up to that and the fact that I had to stand up for that long. And the fact that the night before that, I got 4 whole hours of sleep. Yeah. That was insane. A human being should not have been capable of doing what I did yesterday. Nope. Like, legitimately, no way. I still can't believe I did it. It was only by the grace of God. He was watching over me from the moment I woke to the moment I went to bed. There's literally no way one human can do that. Nope. Now we'll see if one human can Photoshop those group photos together. It remains to be seen. But speaking of photos, since you're still here, I know that you weren't just here just for the weigh-in, and you're here for me. Or at least you like listening to me talk, which is great. And that's why I talk, because I like it. But I'm going to share something with you guys. I'm going to throw in my jazz picture with me and my daughter Ronnie, and my pictures from my clogging dance, my Star Wars Stormtrooper costume for you guys. Now, we didn't do a dance in the green costume. We decided not to because of COVID. We just never finished the choreography, and so I did not have to dance it. But I did take the class, and I did wear the costume, and I did pose in it for a picture. Be proud. So I'm going to show you guys my pictures. Enjoy those. Coming up soon, probably in the next couple of weeks, will be my weight loss every week picture videos. So keep an eye out for that. I don't know how it's going. Honestly, it's hard for me to tell if anything's changed at all. I know things have changed though, because these pants that I'm wearing, I literally bought that first week. So I wore these other pants the very first picture. So at first I thought maybe my weight loss was from the pants themselves, because when I bought these, they were super tight. And it kind of held me in a little better than the ones I did the original picture in. But, guys, they're totally loose now. I need to go down another size. So, something's happening, and I'm happy about it. All right. Thanks so much for spending some time with me. Again, thank you for being patient for me getting this video out. Don't forget to check the links in the About section. I've got lots of awesome things down there, including my Facebook group where I can help you to learn how to do keto the way I'm doing it and answer all your questions. And I also have some affiliate links. If you guys are looking to buy something, definitely check out those affiliate links. I appreciate it. I also have a Patreon if you're interested in supporting the channel monthly. I love you guys so much. We'll talk to you all again soon.